Today's topic is transition element. The transition element are those elements which have incompletely filled or a partially filled d subshell in their ground state or in any one of their oxidation state. The partially filled d orbital in a periodic table in a d block group elements. There are four types of a d block transition series. First one is a scandium transition series, second is vanadium, and third is lanthanoid, and fourth is a actinoid transition series. The first transition series: scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, and the start from 21 atomic number to 30, and the electron configuration is AR for 3D1 and 4s2, and this is regular trend in a chromium they are a 3D5 and 4s1, and in a copper is a 3D10 and 4s1, the exceptional electronic configuration. Next transition is vanadium transition, vanadium to cadmium, and the atomic number is 39 to 48. In krypton, the 4D1 and 5s2, and 4D2 and 5s2 up to regular trend, but in molybdenum 4D5 and 5s1, in titanium 4D6 and 5s1, and up to the 45 atomic number, and 46 palladium 4D10 and 5s0, and next is 4D10 and 5s0, next is 4D10 and 5s2. The next transition series is lanthanide transition, lanthanide to mercury, मतलब 57 atomic number to 80, and in which the electron configuration is f orbital is included. And another is actinoid series started 89 to 1112, and is the 5s orbital is included, and 6D transition series is followed the electron configuration in a table.